Hello, welcome to day 20, believe it is day 20, in the creating a modern OpenGL game engine series. And in the previous one we was just doing input, we was looking at doing some mouse input, we was working on scroll input, and that's what we're going to be continuing with today. So if I remember correctly, there was some problems with the SFML side. And also, this video isn't going to be as long as the others are usually around an hour or so. Probably be about half an hour. I've got to pop out somewhere in a bit, but we're trying to get as much done as we can. So, actually, before I run it, I just want to see what we had in the others. Yeah, we did implement here scrolling. So it was the SFML one that was essentially causing some issues. But let's just run this, see what we get. Okay, so if I might be best if I open it up like this so we can actually see what's happening. So I'm scrolling. Yeah, it seems to almost like only detect the scrolling one way, but when I use the other one, it sort of detects it in the other way. So if I do see out, if I put this one in now, okay, I need to go back to main and see what we are printing out the .xm.y as well. Oh, because I started doing delta, not the. Oh yeah, that was the other thing. If I were to go back to here, put this back in, from what I remember, this was just the X position of the mouse at that particular moment. So if I were to scroll, it only detects it when I scroll up. If I were to do it here, value greater, slightly lower, higher, roughly the same, because I'm only moving down, not or I'm moving much to the left and to the right. So it's something to do with the delta. SFML mouse scroll. So one of the biggest problems with SFML is it's just not as refined as the other frameworks. It's just a smaller framework, so there's less features, or the features aren't as extensive. Okay, this is one example that they've given. So I'm gonna do it in here. Int delta equals 0, and I'm gonna do delta plus equals window event dot mouse wheel dot delta, and then I'm actually going to print out delta, so std cout delta std end line. Go back to main, comment out this line. I don't want it to print anything else out. All this other stuff, as long as I don't press buttons, it should be fine. It only works when I scroll up. So if I'm, scrolling up, it's like in that, but I'm scrolling down, doesn't do anything whatsoever. But I'm pretty sure if I go back to framework CPP, and let's just say if I copy this into here, I'll get rid of this from here, and I'll get rid of it from here, and I'll simply put it outside now. You won't be minus equals, will it? I doubt it. Okay. This is just doing in general, so it's not to do with any of this. So let's just whack it here and see what happens. Okay, that seems to be working more the way. So scrolling down, scrolling up, the way we would want to. Let's just say if all we printed off was this, so scrolling down slowly, scrolling down really fast. I'm going to use my other mouse and do free scroll. That's really fast, and free scroll the other way. I'll use ratchet scrolling now. Okay. Don't want to put it inside here then. So does it support horizontal and vertical scrolling? Or does it only support one type of scroll? SFML horizontal mouse scroll. If it doesn't, that's fine for now. And I'll just have a look at it at a later date. See what code made. Is it? Yeah, coding made easy. You're saying? Okay, hurry up, hurry up. Something else, not what I wanted. Forget it. Oh, this is to do with tilted horizontally? That doesn't sound exactly like what we want. That seems to... So what happens if I were to do scrolled instead? And if, let's say, I get this and I'll whack this here, for example, because it's vertical scroll, this should, in my eyes, still get the same result in terms of the way it's printing out. Which, no, it is not. I'm going to put it here, see what we get. Mouse wheel horizontal moved. Mouse wheel horizontal moved. Is that not one? Mouse wheel it's been removed. Scrolled mouse wheel scroll. No, that's just the X and Y position. We're not interested in that. Okay, I'm gonna keep it simple. Do mouse wheel scrolled. Confirm this is still working with mouse wheel scroll, so we had mouse wheel move last time. If it is, we'll just have it for the y-axis and that'll be fine. Okay, no, we don't want mouse wheel scroll, we want mouse wheel moved. Okay, that's fine, so I'm going to get rid of all of this. Okay, I'll get this line. This is for the Y. Set scroll offset. So save that, go into main. I'm going to print this out again. And yep, this is the way, exactly the way we want it. Spot on. So, okay, yeah, we don't have anything for scrolling horizontally at the moment. If somebody knows a way of doing that in SFML, please do let me know. If not, that's fine, we'll move on. So this hasn't been edited in a little while. So mouse events, we did that in the previous video, the video before that. Definitely in the previous video we did it, maybe in the video before that. And we're going to be working on now, if we've done scrolling, what was the inputs were there? If we go to the latest version, event types, got mouse wheel, got mouse button pressed and released. We need mouse moved, mouse entered and mouse left. So mouse moved, I guess now. Working on mouse moved. Mouse moved events. Mouse moved, so if I save that, that's what we're working on now. So let's have a look at the structure of everything. So for mouse moved, we're going to have a vec2 float mouse position, and we're going to need some events for it. We're going to need a get mouse position, set mouse position, So if you go to core event CPP, we can just duplicate these events. So get mouse position, set mouse position, oopsie daisy, float X and float Y, and instead of scroll offset, this will be mouse position, and this would also be mouse position. What the hell is going on? Okay, I just need to initialize it with something. Mouse position. That's fine. And okay, so this part is done. It's gonna build it just to see if it's still building. Fantastic. So now we got SFML activated. Let's go into here. Should be a case of doing case sf event mouse moved and now we should just be able to do this core events set mouse position. For this it'll be window event dot mouse, I guess it'll be mouse move dot x window event dot mouse move dot y. So I should be able to just print this out now. So instead of doing get scroll offset, get mouse position, copy that, paste it here. Now that should literally be printing out the mouse position now. 0 at the moment, but when I hover over it, yep. Obviously it's not detecting anything outside it, that's fine. So that is like 0, 0. This should be what, nearing whatever the size of it is, 640 by 480 I believe. It's not here again. And okay, that's fine. That's got the mouse position working. Need to do the same for SDL now. So if I go to definitions, activate SDL, so in SDL probably need to add a case for SDL underscore mouse motion. I'm gonna say motion. So for a break, I always like to put stuff like breaks first, closing braces off first, doing other stuff that is just needed, just getting structure sorted. So yeah, do it for, probably record for another 13-15 minutes. And this will be this core events set mouse position window event dot mouse. That's what I'm expecting it to be. Dot motion then dot x. Again, I'm not too sure if this is gonna work, if this is even the right code. We'll find out. So if I print it off now, should initially just get 0, 0. So this is 0, 0 if I'm moving it to the right. Don't know, is there a slight bit of delay? So one of those things is hard to tell until, you know, we actually start implementing certain game mechanics. So for now, that seems okay to me. I'll have a quick Google to make sure that is the recommended way of doing it. So if I go to SDL mouse position, so let's see what Lazy Foo is saying. And mouse motion. And they're setting it every single time. So they're setting it even if you're scrolling as well, just in case one of these other events are hit. So we should really, I guess, be setting it every single time, I guess. Makes sense, I guess. That would make sense. SDL get mouse state. That's what they're using. Int x and y, x and y. Some reference to it so I can change the initial value. Okay, so instead of that, let's do y now. That does seem to be a bit more like accurate, does seem to be faster. If I put it here, it seems to print out the final value a lot quicker, so that's a lot better now. So I'm gonna essentially get this and replace it with all of these other lines. I'm gonna do int xy at the top then. Daisy needs to be, so I can just do this now. Copy that, paste it here, paste it here, and now we can set this equal to 0. So run that bad boy now. Okay, I'm happy with that, and now we can do GLFW. So definitions, GLFW. So go to GLFW, and I guess we would need a separate callback for that. Let's have a look. So where do we set the callback? It's somewhere here. So GLFW set. What callbacks? I'll Google this. So GLFW mouse position. Mouse cursor position. Set cursor callback. That's it. Right here. Set cursor callback, and this is going to be called cursor callback, and the actual callback was like so. So if I scroll down, put this here, this is going to be called cursor callback. I'm going to get this, put this here, just sort out the formatting of this, and let me just put this within the header file before implementing it. Static, get rid of this, boom. Need a semicolon, and let's get the code for retrieving the mouse events. So GFWCPP. So I need to also get it can also be polled like this. Oh sorry, my bad, don't need this. Might need it for something else. I'll delete it for now. So if I were to get this, do temp events object, set mouse position to X pause to Y pause, run that now, should essentially get the same as we were for SFML and SDL. So 0, 0. Happy with the speed of it in terms of like the last value appearing, unlike how I initially implemented it on SDL. Guessing it will be best to do something like this for when other mouse events are occurring. And we will now need to do essentially this line here. Okay, let's sort out the naming of everything. So now copy this, paste it down here, run it. Okie dokie, that's fine. Edit that now. We've done mouse moved events. The last event I think will be, actually I think it's also, we're gonna need be able to change the cursor. Cursor enter, cursor change cursor. So in here, cursor enter and change cursor. Enter slash leave window. So we've got to handle all of that good stuff. So commit. What time? Okay, I'm actually gonna end it now. So let's just upload the code to Github. We made good progress today. It wasn't long, but we did make good progress, which is good stuff. If I go to the game engine, just sync it up, open in Finder, and now this is this is the version I was actually coding. This is the GitHub. This is the GitHub version. So let me just get rid of that. Paste that into here. Make sure it's the latest version. I'm just gonna have a quick look. Yeah, it's got the code from today. That's really all I need to see. So go to main. There's a few things obviously being changed. We're just checking for mouse position. I'm happy with that. Day 20. Finishing off scrolling. Finishing off scrolling and implemented mouse position for all scrolling was only for SFML as it was previously implemented for GRFW and SDL. Need to do better commits. Mouse position successfully implemented for GRFW, SDL and SFML. Commit to master, sync. Okay, so that is it now. I'm gonna end day 20 here. I think we made good progress. I will see you in day 21. If you have any questions, any suggestions for documentation, for any feature ideas, for any architecture changes, updates, feel free, because this is a community project by the community for the community. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.